Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to resolve Ctfmon.exe unknown hard error, then these are the following options. The first one will be is to perform the SFC scan. So we'll go to command prompt, right click, run as administrator, yes, and type in the command sfc space slash scan now, SCANNOW, press enter, and that should resolve your problem. But if that doesn't, then we should clean boot the system, as in restart the system without any third party process, only running the Windows services. So how do we do that? We look for system configuration and click on it. Click the services tab. Now, an important word of caution: before you disable any of the services here, you need to hide all Microsoft services, and only then you should disable any third party service. Because if you do not do this step and you disable all the Microsoft services, when the computer switches off and restarts, it won't be able to load the Microsoft services, therefore rendering the restart a failure. So once you hide the services and click on the third party services, you press apply, click on OK, restart, and this should solve the issue. Furthermore, we have one more solution which you can try if these two options don't work, and that is we need to check the disk for any bad sectors. So what we can do is go to command prompt, right click, run as administrator, yes, and type the command chkdsk space slash f space slash r, press enter, press y and enter, and this should resolve the issue. Lastly, if none of these work, which is very rare, then we will have to uninstall the recent updates which are conflicting and causing this error. So how do we do that? We right click on start, go to settings, click on apps, click on installed apps, and we uninstall the updates, the installed apps which are which we downloaded after or on the date this conflict started appearing, this error started appearing. So if this error was appearing say on the 23rd, so after that I have downloaded two files here on the 25th and on the 25th. So I will click on these three buttons and I will uninstall these two apps, or I can do it one by one and see which app I downloaded that is causing the error, and this should solve your issue. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to our channel. Enjoy your day.